Let's have a look at our Hammerli Arms Force B1. So this is our new caliber 22 rimfire straight pull bolt action rifle. Straight pull means you have a very quick action, you have a very comfortable action, and if you're using that rifle, for example, for hunting purpose, it's a very fast consecutive shot if it's needed. But that's not the only feature. We have some more features. For example, the second most important here would be the quick change barrel system. So you see the barrel nut right here. You can just pull that backwards, pull out the barrel, and that's it. So basically you can do a caliber change within 30 seconds without the need of any tools. So the only other part you need for the caliber conversion is the magazine. And the magazine is a original Ruger 1022 magazine. So here it comes with the adapter on the backside to fit it in the magazine well. If you convert it to 22 WMR, you just need the original Ruger WMR magazine, and you exchange the magazine, you exchange the barrel, and that's it. So just about 30 seconds and no need for any tools. Just back in here, easy as it is, just turn it, and that's it. So Beautiful. That's very, very quick and easy. The other thing is that you have extractable stock, so it has 5 different positions, and you have the variable cheek rest. So if you're having a high mount optics like this one, you have the elevated position right here. And if you're checking right here with a lower red dot sight, you just have the cheek rest in the low position. And this is also reversible without any tools, so you can just pull out the stock completely, reverse the cheek rest, and then just put it back on. That's just that easy. The Ruger magazine is not the only part which is Ruger compatible. You also have a drop-in trigger system, so it's a complete module. You can just take out the system, push out the trigger system, and put in any Timney trigger, Volk-Watson trigger, Ruger Sports tuning trigger, which is on the market, which is made for the Ruger 1022. And that makes it a very big selection, because you know the accessory market for the 1022 is huge. Yeah. The whole system is CNC milled aluminum, and the Picatinny rail is integral part of the system. So there's no tolerances in regard of any deviation or whatever, because it's one part with the whole system. The whole rifle is made in Germany, in our factory in Arnsberg at Umarex, except one part, and this is the stock. We have a daughter company in Bulgaria. They are manufacturing all the wooden stocks for us, so this is the only part. It's done by Umarex because it's our daughter company, but it's not done in Arnsberg. That's the only part we don't do there. All the other stuff, including the barrel and all this, is done in our factory. So it's made in Germany, absolutely.
Okay, so the threaded barrel.
We have the threaded barrel with a 1/2 inch 28 UNF, so any muzzle brake, any silencer works easily. And we have 5 different stock versions. So this is the entry level, or for all those who want it practical, it's the polymer version. This is the all-weather. And then we have the wood classic with the beech wood. We have the wood antique with a little rougher finish. We have the walnut wood HQ3, and we have, just a moment, we have the laminated wood for the sports version with a really beautiful black and gray wooden stock. This shows some extras. So this shows the match barrel, 20 inch. The standard barrel is 16 inch. So this is a little thicker as well. So for all those who want to use it for sports purpose, this configuration with a bipod, with a match barrel, and with a sports tuning trigger definitely would make sense.
Beautiful guns. Beautiful
yeah,
guns.
we got a lot of positive feedback right here on the show. So we are really happy that it's very well accepted from our customers, and we are looking forward to see how it does on the market. Yeah. And we are very confident.